Chop the onions and sauté them in a little oil in a pan. Add the lamb meat and fry until it browns slightly. Then add garlic and the described spices, and fry. Now add 3 cups of boiling water and simmer on low heat for 2 hours until the meat is cooked. Add salt towards the end of cooking. Meanwhile, sauté chopped carrots with some oil, sugar, and cardamom powder in a pan until soft. Then add the raisins and fry for a few minutes before setting aside. Once the meat is cooked, remove it from the pan and add pre-soaked rice. Let the water evaporate. Then place the meat in the middle of the rice and pour the carrot mixture on top. Cook for 45 minutes until done. Enjoy your meal.